right, we're recording.
You're gonna hold it back that way, this up top. Not on top, so you want to poke it here.
And then I just...
You open that after.
Ah!
No, thank you.
Oh no, don't get it on the
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Oh, let me stand back first so that it doesn't get on the camera again.
You got that video camera out? This is history here.
Hold on. Alright.
Those are going to be foamy and frothy.
You open it?
Yeah, you open it and then you drink.
What happens when you open it?
It'll give it
You
air.
gotta fucking throw it in.
Alright, ready?
Go. She finished it before you, Jeffrey.
I didn't finish.
Oh.
You're supposed to do it straight up,
Oh.
not sideways.
I almost did it. Wasn't as good as
I almost did it. Oh man. I really need to burn.